Good day everyone. So for today, let me share with you on how to create a shortcut on any Google Chrome website in your desktop. So let's say for example this one, the Conceptual Physics Classroom. That is only a shortcut going to the Conceptual Physics Classroom website. So let's say when I click that, I'll be going to the Physics Classroom website into Google Chrome. So now, let me share with you on how to do that. So first, let's go to the, let's say for example, this one. And I want to create a shortcut on the SlideShare website. Let's say for this one, I want to easily access this by not searching already and going to Chrome and search once again the SlideShare. So how are we going to do that? So first, as you can see, you go to Google Chrome and then you search SlideShare or any website that you want. And then once you're already there, click the three dots on the upper right side. And then kindly scroll down and then click the add to home screen. If you see before desktop site, there's add to home screen. Click that and then you can edit, let's say for example, the name of the file. Let's say I only want to name it SlideShare. So then click add. After that, click add. Then let's go now to, okay, let me X this one first. Close this one, and then as you can see, this is now the SlideShare shortcut. When I click that, I can easily go to the SlideShare website even without searching it already. Okay, so that's it.